이번 세션은 시스템 사용자 지원 및 업무 프로세스 최적화를 위한 강력한 플랫폼 데스크프로에 대해 알아보는 시간이 되겠습니다. 먼저 솔루션 소개에 앞서 준비된 인트로 영상을 함께 보시겠습니다.
Did you know 89% of customers switch to a competitor after one negative customer support experience? Without the right tools, keeping all of your customers happy gets overwhelming. That's where Deskpro comes in, the all-in-one help desk solution that centralizes every customer interaction. Trusted by world-leading support teams for over 20 years, from large enterprises to growing startups. Deskpro boosts productivity with tools to route tickets, prioritize urgent issues, and cut response times in half. Your customer data is valuable. Choose from our secure AWS-powered cloud platform or deploy on-premise. With an intuitive, powerful UI, your agents never miss tickets and send perfect responses every time. Deflect customer requests and offer round-the-clock assistance with Help Center, your 24/7 self-service hub, complete with knowledge base, chatbots, and AI assistance. Deskpro's custom dashboards and reports give you real-time insights into customer happiness. Plus, get personalized 5-star support from a team that's big enough to trust, small enough to care. So, say goodbye to negative customer experiences forever with Deskpro.
네, 이어서 데스크프로 본사의 세일즈 매니저 알레시아 보르빈님께서 솔루션 소개를 진행하도록 하겠습니다. 소개 및 데모가 끝난 후에 Q&A 세션이 진행될 예정이니 질문이 있으실 경우 슬랙슨 유튜브 스트리밍을 통해 남겨주시면 답변 드리도록 하겠습니다. Hi Alessia, are you ready for the presentation?
Hey, yes, I am.
Great, you can start.
Perfect. Welcome everyone, and I thank you for your attention today during this presentation. My name is Alicia, and I'm a member of the sales team here at Deskpro. Today, I will be walking you through a presentation of Deskpro first, followed by a demo of the features Deskpro offers, and explaining how we're building a world with better support. Now, more than ever in 2024, users expect great support quickly with access to information 24/7 and support across any channel they use, all whilst keeping their data secure. Meeting these high expectations can be hard without the right tools to make things easier. At Deskpro, we have worked with world-leading organizations to provide solutions to such issues as agents getting overwhelmed with the amount of tickets they receive, a lack of collaboration, multiple segmented systems for managing support, and inefficient processes and lack of insights. Deskpro solves all of these problems by helping enterprises, government, and growing businesses communicate better with their end users. So what is Deskpro? Deskpro is an all-in-one help desk platform that centralizes and streamlines support operations hosted both on cloud or on-premise. Who can use Deskpro? Deskpro is a flexible tool ideal for any team tasked with providing support to a user base, which can include public-facing help desks like customer support teams, IT help desks, HR, operations, logistics, and legal. Whether you're in customer service, IT, or HR, Deskpro is designed to streamline your support process and enhance efficiency across the board. Why do our customers choose Deskpro? Here, we work hard to ensure all of our customers feel valued. We work closely with the customers throughout onboarding process to ensure their tool is set up to meet their needs, and we have a wide and flexible feature set so Deskpro can work for you. Deskpro is committed to going above and beyond in both the capabilities of our software and the dedication of our team. The software is continuously updated with new features and improvements based on customer feedback and industry best practices, ensuring it remains cutting edge and once again works for you. Deskpro also recognizes that different businesses have varying needs and preferences when it comes to where the data is hosted. By offering both cloud-based and on-premise deployment options, we ensure flexibility and scalability to cater to your diverse organizational requirements. Deskpro offers tailored features and services designed specifically for enterprises. Collaborating with numerous large-scale corporations across both public and private sectors globally, we understand the unique needs of an enterprise client. Our enterprise customers enjoy round-the-clock support and dedicated account management, including monthly check-in calls and quarterly health checks. They have access to advanced features geared towards scalability, such as multi-brand, multi-account, and cutting-edge AI. Moreover, we provide additional hosting options to cater to your diverse requirements, including broader selection of data center choices on cloud, and extended on-premise hosting features like clustering and high availability setups. So where can you host Deskpro? With Deskpro, the choice is yours when it comes to deploying your Helpdesk, and you can opt either for a cloud-based deployment as a software as a service product fully managed by us, or an on-premise deployment where you manage all of your data internally. Whether you prefer the flexibility of a cloud-based solution or the control of on-premise hosting, Deskpro accommodates your preferences and ensure seamless integration into your organization. Our cloud offering can be hosted on one of our AWS data centers, providing global coverage, including locations like Seoul. Deskpro Cloud guarantees a 99.9% uptime and delivers automatic weekly updates. Rest assured, we manage all aspects of security and encryption through AWS, ensuring your data remains protected at all times. Deskpro is also available for an on-premise deployment, granting you full control over your data. You can host Deskpro on your server of choice and manage everything seamlessly through our dedicated on-premise controller. This empowers you to efficiently handle multi-instances, expedite deployments, and execute specialized setups like an air-gapped installation with ease. Now, let's dive a bit deeper into the on-premise controller, or the OPC. This tool has been carefully crafted by us to streamline the management of Deskpro on-premise installations. It equips sysadmins with a robust GUI, empowering them to efficiently oversee their Deskpro deployment. Through the OPC, on-premise customers can do such things as conduct automated backups, execute multi-instance deployments, monitor their server performance, initiate upgrades with a single click of a button, and much, much more, all accessible through the user-friendly GUI interface. Now, let's embark on a high-level overview of all of the features that Deskpro has to offer. This will provide you with a comprehensive understanding before we dive into a pre-recorded demo of the product in a few moments. Deskpro enables you to consolidate all of your communication channels that customers use or employees, and where they prefer receiving support, into one centralized platform. This includes managing requests from email, live chat, phone calls and SMS, as well as social media platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and X, and even review platforms such as Trustpilot and Apple App Store. Additionally, we provide the capability to create custom dynamic forms, giving you ability to capture all the necessary information seamlessly at the point of ticket creation. Deskpro also extends the capability to create multiple help centers, serving as a user-facing portal for your help desk. This empowers your users to access information round the clock and find solutions to their questions through the content you publish. Within the Help Center, you have a variety of content options available to you, starting with guides for structured user manuals, knowledge base for articles addressing frequently asked questions, news for time-based posts, files for any downloadable content, and community, which is a forum platform for engaging with your users publicly, followed by the contact form to create the tickets. This diverse range of content ensures that your users can find the assistance they need conveniently, efficiently, and whenever they need it. To boost the efficiency of your help desk operations, Deskpro offers robust yet easy to set up workflow automations. Here are some of the examples. You can use triggers to define ticket events to categorize and route tickets effectively to the appropriate teams. You can have service level agreements setups to have custom goals and monitor ticket response times to ensure timely resolution. And finally, escalations that can manage tickets that have remained in a specific state for a predefined duration of time, ensuring no critical issues fall through the cracks. These automation features streamline your help desk processes while improving response time and overall customer satisfaction. Your agents can also leverage a variety of productivity tools to automate and expedite their routine tasks, including snippets that enable agents to insert common and personalized responses with just 2 clicks, reducing response times while enhancing accuracy and efficiency, follow-ups that ensure that agents never miss a follow-up on a ticket by automating actions and setting reminders tailored to individual scenarios, followed by macros that can automate common help desk processes, executing a series of predefined actions to streamline recurring tasks and boost efficiency across the board. These agent productivity tools empower your team to work more effectively, delivering timely and accurate support to your customers and employees. We strive to simplify ticket view management for every team that uses Deskpro. With Deskpro's viewing preferences, agents can customize their help desk interface to suit their specific needs. This encompasses creating custom queues and lists for organizing tickets, or using a Kanban view for project management within your help desk. You can also utilize powerful ticket and global search functionalities for quick and efficient navigation within your help desk, labels to group tickets and provide agents with additional context, while also allowing them to add personal categorization to their tickets with stars. Deskpro also offers a robust reports interface, granting you access to analyze all of the data within your help desk. You can create and share unlimited custom dashboards and generate statistics on any help desk metrics you require. Deskpro provides you with over 150 pre-built stats for your convenience, which you can either utilize as they are or modify to suit your specific needs. Now, Deskpro is also committed to being a multi-language help desk. Here at Deskpro, we have customers all over the world, and we understand the importance of being supported in your chosen language. To ensure seamless support for diverse customer bases globally, we have made significant investments in localization and translation tools. Deskpro boasts translation into over 12 languages for the agent interface and over 20 languages for the end user facing help center. We provide in-product machine translation for ticket messages and offer the flexibility to host all of your help center content in multiple languages. This enables you to effectively support customers across the globe, catering to their linguistic preferences with ease. We also understand that Deskpro will be used alongside many other tools in your arsenal, so we have built a collection of integrations to some of other world-leading tools. These integrations enable agents to stay within Deskpro while seamlessly updating and utilizing other systems in your toolset. Our Deskpro apps are designed to boost agent efficiency. They empower agents to perform actions like logging a Jira issue or accessing information such as HubSpot user profile, all without leaving the ticket that they're working on in Deskpro. How do we assist new customers in transitioning to Deskpro? Whether you're migrating from Outlook or another Helpdesk platform, our goal is always to facilitate a seamless transition for you. We provide a variety of options to import your existing data into Deskpro, whether that is users, tickets, or knowledge-based content. Our advanced data mapping and secure data transfer processes ensure a smooth transition without any hassle. Here are also some direct quotes from the satisfied customers who we've successfully migrated from other platforms. In addition to handling the migration of your data, to kickstart your journey with Deskpro, we offer a range of support services tailored to assist you in transitioning, scaling, and enhancing your help desk over time. Our dedicated team is committed to ensuring that you derive maximum value from the product and help your agents to thrive. We provide personalized support, tailoring our offerings to meet your specific needs. And our packages can include training for specialized sessions that can cater for admins, agents, or reports focused, ensuring each member of your team receives targeted guidance tailored to their role within your organization. We also have a service for concierge onboarding, which is a hands-on setup of your help desk environment, ensuring a smooth transition to Deskpro. And agent certifications that help you recognize agents for their Deskpro proficiency with a monitored exam, ensuring they're equipped to excel with Deskpro. Here at Deskpro, we offer pricing plans tailored to accommodate every scale, need, and goal you have with our platform. And I want to thank you for your time and attention thus far. We hope to welcome you into the community of thousands of satisfied customers who rely on Deskpro to build a world with better support. Next, we'll proceed with a recorded demo showcasing all of Deskpro's functionalities. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Alicia, for sharing information about Deskpro for user support and business process optimization. I look forward to see you during the Q&A session after the demo. 다음으로는 데스크프로의 헬프데스크 및 CRM 활용하는 데모가 준비되어 있습니다. 함께 보시겠습니다.
I'm from the sales team here at Deskpro, and I will be taking you through the product today. I will start with the Help Center, which is the end user side of the platform, and then go in on the agent side to show you what tickets look like when they're coming in, how you assign them to different people, and how you interact with them. But while we're here on the Help Center, the first thing that you look at is the way it's presented. You can very easily change the appearance, like the colors, the branding of it. And if you wanted to go even further, you do have access to HTML and CSS templates. So really, it can be made as in line with your branding as you would need it to be. The main benefits of using something like a help center is having that self-service knowledge for your end users, so they can actually come in and maybe find some answers themselves. It's available 24/7 for them. You also can create tickets through the form, which we'll cover in a second, and they can view all of the tickets they have submitted into the help desk as well. But first of all, if I'm coming in here, I've got an issue with my boiler as an end user, I can start typing that out in the search, and not only it brings up any of the content that you have published in here that might match my search, it will also search through any of the tickets I have previously submitted in the help desk, so I might just find that resolution that I've already had from the help desk for this particular issue. From the agent side, any of these types of content can be used and you can publish them, but it doesn't mean you need to use all of them. You also can control who and which user sees what. So some of the content might be available for your VIP users, but not others. We have the community as a community forum, a place where you interact with your users in a public settings, for example, suggestions. You also have the news in here that appear with a splash image on your help center, and people can subscribe to them, files for any downloadable content, and then finally knowledge base and guides as the most widely popular used types, and I'll just go into them in more detail. First of all, the knowledge base is akin to a frequently asked question page. You have different articles that you can set out in here. Once again, you can control permissions of who sees what on your help center and which categories are available for different types of customers or users. But if I open an article, I have an answer or a topic on the top, and then the text and the answer at the bottom. This can include pictures, it can link to other places in your help center, and you can also have videos embedded into the article as well. Plus, users can leave comments if you want them to, and letting people mark things helpful or unhelpful, and subscribe to get updates in their email box as well. Going back, guides is the second most popular type. It's structured slightly different, and it's mostly makes sense when all of the information relates to a similar topic, and you can structure almost like a book where you have your chapters, sub-chapters. From the end user perspective, you can start reading, go to the bottom of the page, click to the next page, and have that continuous read through. That's everything that we've covered for the types of content, and now I will just move on for actually creating the tickets as an end user. We have the Contact Us form. This can be made as complicated or as easy as you would need it to be. It can be embedded on your website as well. But with Deskpro, we control different types of tickets with departments. So in here, I've got a form for IT support, but if I switch to sales, the form becomes a lot simpler and a lot easier. If I switch to HR, once again, it changes, and these can be made fully dynamic with different sections and different fields opening up based on the user selection. Another nice way to tie in your tickets and your forms back to the knowledge base is the subject line ticket deflection. So once again, if I'm typing out an issue with the boiler I'm having, it will actually suggest articles from the knowledge base that might help me, and it could deflect some of the tickets you do not want to be replying to at this stage. Messages, support, all of your files or inline images, sorry, and you can add attachments into the ticket as well. So based on these selections, you can start routing things to the right person, but also sending out different automated replies, applying different SLAs. You have full control over what your tickets look like, what information is collected, and how they behave once they hit your help desk. At the bottom right, we do also have the chat widget that you can embed on your website, and it can search through the knowledge base that you have published. You can start a live chat conversation with one of the agents, or you can submit a ticket into the help desk as well, which can be put on your website. That's everything that I wanted to cover for the end user side of Deskpro. So now I will switch to your agent side. Everything else in Deskpro is done from within one window. That includes the tickets, that includes editing the help center content, accessing reports, admin. Of course, you control which agents have access to what, but you don't need to switch between different teams in here. You just have the modules on the left. Right now, I'm in the tickets section, and every single new communication that is coming in, for example, if you've created email, will create a ticket in Deskpro. On the left, we have all of the different views for tickets that you can set up, you can customize. For example, I can go into mine and see all of the different tickets that I have that are assigned directly to me. I can also go into my team, so that's a team that I'm part of, and I can see here in the unassigned queue, I know all of these tickets, part of my team, someone from my team needs to pay attention to them. However, they're not assigned yet. For assignment, there are different things that we can set up, automations, for example, based on who the client is. We can search for words and with triggers, routing things to the right person, or have a round robin assignment as well. It's really up to you and how your help desk or your team want to work. If I open up any of these tickets, for example this one, it opens up the actual ticket interface. So in here, Agatha started this from a form, and that's what creates that ticket. So always the messages from the end user will be in white, and anything from the agent will be in orange. On the right, you can see which agent added that message. So you have that for trackability. The reply box is always at the bottom. You have all of your standard text formatting options. You can embed pictures, you can add attachments as well. And we have the snippets section in here too. So if you wanted to maybe add a quick response, as here I want to escalate this ticket, I can go ahead, populate the reply box with it and send that across. We also have internal notes that you can add. If you see, we have them right here in purple. These are never seen by the end user, and you can actually tag each other, so each one of the agents in a note. What that will do, you just send them the notification in the instant messenger that we have inbuilt into Deskpro. Plus, from the reply box, any of the communication channels that you have connected into here can be accessed. So if we have, or you're using voice with Deskpro, you could give a call to this person, you can send an SMS, you can WhatsApp them. This is everything for the communication, and I'll just explain the fields on the right and left for you. On the left, we have the ticket content panel. The first thing that you see is the status of a ticket. Each ticket in Deskpro has a status, so anything new that's coming in will be in a waiting agent, and that just signals who needs to be replying to this ticket at any given time. If we have replied, as I have done just now in here, it's now going into a waiting user. We're waiting for the user to get back to us. We've got the pending if we want to table anything for a while, or we want to stop the SLAs from running, and we've got the resolved as well. Further, we have the ticket assignment information. That would be who the agent that's assigned to it, a team that's assigned, and also the followers. If you want to keep tabs or there is collaboration going on, you can add a follower to a ticket as well. Then we have the user and CC information, where you can edit that user, you can add a CC into the ticket, which will just bring up all of your CRM records. And further down will be things like ticket reference, organization it belongs to, department, once again changing those custom fields that we're using. And based on each department, you could set different SLAs, different permissions for agents to view them, but also different custom fields for reporting. So if we want to report on request type in here, setting it as a custom field will be a great idea. On the right, we have the CRM profile of the person. So in here, we've got Agatha, we've got all of her contact information, a summary about her, which organizations she's part of. And then further down, if we scroll, any custom fields that once again can contain information about her, and tickets that are currently open or resolved in the past from her. Finally, we also would like to look into the ticket actions menu, which gives you a lot more functionality that you can use to interact and progress your tickets through the help desk, namely merging two tickets into one, splitting one ticket into two. We have certain modules for problem management, task management, linking two tickets together, having a formal approval process, and also adding a macro, which is a bundle of different steps that you can take within Deskpro. So if you would like to have a formal escalation procedure or anything else, you can bundle them into a macro and then quickly apply it to change the ticket. If we're now in this ticket, we could also maybe search for another one. What that can be accessed through is the global search on the top right. I can go ahead and let's say actually search Agatha's name. It will bring up any users that match, any tickets, potentially tasks that I've had. And if you see that global search really does search through everything in your help desk. So I can go ahead, actually open up the CRM profile for her in my full window, or anything else that you're searching for as well. Just going back to the queues of different tickets as well. In here, you really control what they determine. We've seen my queue, we've seen my team's queue, but you have control over what tickets you display and anything you need to be accessing all of the time, your admins can set up. For you as an agent as well, you can edit different views. So let's say I want to just view any tickets, labels that belong to those tickets. I can change that. And we also have Kanban view for those lists of tickets. They work especially great. Let's say if I go to all open tickets in the help desk, I can actually group it by the agent that the ticket is assigned to, so I can see instantly what's the workflow. So I've got quite a few tickets assigned to myself, but maybe Athley here does not, and she only has one, so we can start figuring out how to balance that load a bit better. That's everything that I wanted to cover for the tickets, and now I can go in and just quickly edit the admin or show you how easy it is to access the admin interface. Everything once again is done from that window. If you see, I just switched on the left to the admin menu. Maybe I want to add a new channel, it lists everything in here, or I want to add a new assignment rule. That's where we'll go to business rules, triggers, and with triggers create something or an automation that would happen in the help desk. Let's say I have this one in here that's preset and I can edit it. Maybe I want to add another type of ticket creation channel that will this ticket will act on. Maybe I want to change the criteria, so other than printer, I want to add scanner as well, or edit the action and set assign team to either IT support as it is here and not assign it to me directly, but actually just send it to the IT support. So it's very easy to edit in here. Another great place to look into is just apps and integrations. We have all of the different integrations that you can add to your ticket, so do have a look, and it works great if you're using any of the different softwares in your stack, where you can open up Jira app, link it to a Jira issue, or maybe add that person to your HubSpot directly from Deskpro without needing to log into there. And finally, I'm just going to cover reports quickly. With reports in Deskpro, you have full control over what data you are seeing. You can create your own statistics, create your own dashboards. Here the ticket insights comes with your Helpdesk. The data in this one is not great. This is not a live instance, but we can create our own dashboards for different teams, different purposes, and track all of the stats and all of the KPIs that you would want to. With all of these dashboards as well, they can be easily shared out. So what you can do is schedule a report to be sent out, let's say every single day, to an email address. And you could also create shareable links for your stakeholders or your customers, where they can access this particular dashboard without needing to have a Deskpro license. That's everything that I wanted to cover today. From Deskpro. Obviously, do reach out to us if you've got any questions. We'll be happy to help, and we do offer free trials that you can start, so in case any questions come up, reach out. We're here to help. Thank you.
네, 데모를 마치도록 하겠습니다. 다음 Q&A 세션은 SLEXN 솔루션 지원팀에서 진행해 주시겠습니다.
Hi, Paul.
Hi there.
We are starting with the Q&A session. I will repeat once again the question. Deskpro can integrate with Jira. Can you please let us know what features are available after this integration?
Yes, so Deskpro has integrations with many different tools, including Jira. Despro's Jira app also allows agents to create Jira issues, like linking to existing Jira issues to Deskpro tickets and adding comments to Jira issues, all from within the Deskpro agent interface. Despro's Jira integration enables teams to easily track issues and streamline project management with other teams, such as development teams.
Okay. 데스크로는 지라를 포함한 다양한 도구들과 통합되어 있습니다. 데스크로의 지라 앱을 통해 에이전트는 지라 이슈를 생성하고 기준 이슈를 데스크로 티켓에 연결하며 인터페이스 내에서 지라 이슈에 이견을 추가할 수 있습니다. 이것으로 팀은 쉽게 이슈를 추적하고 다른 팀과의 프로젝트 관리를 더 효율적으로 할 수 있습니다. 다음 질문 받겠습니다.
아까 데모에서 다양한 대시보드 리포트를 봤어요. 다양한 대시보드 리포트를 구성할 수 있는 방법을 좀 더 자세히 소개해 주실 수 있을까요?
Okay. So there are various dashboard reports that can be configured in Deskpro. Can you please explain in more detail how exactly can that happen?
Of course, Paul, I'll take that one. Deskpro has a large collection of those built-in stats covering various areas of the help desk. That can be tickets, your SLAs that you've set, the help center. What you can then do is use these built-in statistics to actually create the dashboard and also build out your own custom stats or edit the ones you already have. And then these dashboards are very simple to create. You can add the statistics as widgets. You can edit them, drag, drop, resize the stats. So anything you would need can be pulled, and you can have as many of these as you need.
데스크프로의 리포트는 여러 동료를 함께 결합하여 구성할 수 있습니다. 또한 데스크프로에는 티켓, SLA와 같은 헬프데스크의 다양한 영역을 포괄하는 기능이 내장되어 있습니다. 에이전트는 이러한 기능을 모두 사용할 수 있을 뿐만 아니라 사용자 정의 동의를 작성하여 대시보드를 만들 수도 있습니다. 사용법은 간단합니다. 위젯 추가를 하는 것으로 대시보드 생성이 완료되며 편의에 맞춰 크기를 조정할 수 있습니다. 네, 질문 하나 더 받겠습니다.
네. 클라우드랑 온프레미스를 둘 다 사용할 수 있다고 하셨는데 그 둘의 기능적 차이가 있는지 궁금합니다.
Okay. So there are two versions of Deskpro, cloud version and on-premise version. Can you please let us know if there are any difference in the functional? So there are any functional differences between the two versions?
There will be no difference in the functionality between Deskpro Cloud and Deskpro on-premise versions. They have exactly the same feature set and offer the same benefits to your customers with the same weekly release cycle.
Thank you. 기능적 차이는 없습니다. 데스크프로의 클라우드와 온프레미스 버전은 동일한 기능 세트를 갖고 있으며 고객들에게 동일한 혜택을 제공합니다.
또 질문이 없으시다면 Q&A 세션을 여기서 마치겠습니다. 추가 질문이 있으실 경우에는 슬랙슨 유튜브 스트리밍을 통해서 댓글로 남겨주시면 답글 드리도록 하겠습니다. So Alessia, the Q&A session has concluded. There may be additional questions in the comment section of online YouTube streaming. We would appreciate if you take the time to respond to them. Do you have any final remarks?
I would just like to thank everyone for your time today and attention once again, and we really hope to welcome you into the Deskpro community. Thank you.
Thank you. We appreciate your valuable time spent with us during this event. Thank you. 이로써 SLEXN CONNECT v240에 준비된 모든 섹션이 마무리되었습니다. 본 행사를 통해서 애플리케이션 성능 마스터링, 여구공학 혁신, 효율적인 고객 지원 및 협업 등에 필요한 동찰과 해법을 찾으시고 귀사의 비즈니스 혁신의 보탬이 되는 귀한 시간이 되셨기를 바랍니다. 앞으로도 슬랙스는 모든 기업의 더 나은 비즈니스 환경과 혁신을 위해 함께 노력하고 협력하겠습니다. 향후 진행될 SLEXN CONNECT V241 세미나에서도 다시 한번 만나 뵙기를 바라며 인사드리겠습니다. 감사합니다.